Let's try the street foods kakanin here in Tabaco. This is your ka-traveler Queen again, and today we're gonna visit the OG kakanins here in Bicol. Let's try their empanadas na naabutan naming hilaw pa, kaya mas nakakatakam dahil bagong luto ang ibibigay sa'yo. And I definitely love the pork fillings, and I've been curious sa lasa ng ham and cheese. That's why I try it too. Empanada is only 20 pesos, kaya sulit na sulit. We also try other kakanins na andito sa street katapat ng Tabaco City Mall and here at the mini park. Also both a fresh buko juice that will serve as our panulak. Meron nga tayong biniling Cassava Roll for 15 pesos only. Hinagom na 4 pieces for 20 pesos, lino pack 20 pesos, and puto bigas na 2 pieces for 20 pesos too. I can say that this whole day is a very solid travel here in Tabaco. That's it for today. See you sa next vlog. Bye!